السلام عليكم. اليوم راح بنرجع نكفي بشرح ال Truth Table وال Digital Logic. How to draw a circuit using those binary things or those images. Let's say we talked about them. احنا حكينا عنهم قبل بمرة. في عنا 4 أنواع مهمين. النوت، هاي الصورة تبعت النوت، والنوت تقلب تعمل فليب للبت. إذا كانت 0 بتصير 1، وإذا كانت 1 بتصير 0. وهون عندي الأند هاي الصورة تبعتها، والأند بتعمل إذا كانوا if I have 1 0 at least 1 0 the answer will be 0. يعني الأوتبوت بيطلع 0. إذا كان هون 0 و1 بيطلع 0. إذا كان 1 و 0 بيطلع 1. الحالة الوحيدة إنه يطلع 1 هي 1 مع 1. اثنيناتهم يكونوا x and y must be 1. هون بهالحالة let's say أنا عندي x y هاي ال or if I have at least 1 the answer will be 1. يعني إذا كان 0 مع 0 بيطلع 0 الأوتبوت. إذا كان ال x1 وال y1 فبيعطيني 1. وكمان إذا كان 0 1 أو 1 0 بيعطيني 1. الXOR إذا كانوا نفس الشيء بيعطيني 0. إذا كان ال x وال y equal to each other، إذا كانوا 0 اثنيناتهم أو 1 اثنيناتهم بيعطيني الأنسر 0. وإذا كانوا different عكس بعضهم فبيكون عندي الأنسر 1. Suppose هذا بنسميه truth table. Suppose I have x and y plus not y. هذه معنات بس يكونوا قراب لبعضهم معناتها and. x y معناتها x and y، والبلس معناتها or. هاي الداش اللي هون معناتها not y. So in this case I have two combinations or two input x و y بس. فبهالحالة ال truth table بيكون على الشكل التالي. عندي x و y هوني هني، بحط بأول خانتين ال x وال y وكل ال possible cases اللي ممكن يصيروا. بما انه 2 bit يعني انا فيني اعمل representation لأربع numbers 0 وال1 وال2 وال3. فالتruth table بيكون على الشكل التالي: 0 مع 0 0 مع 1 1 مع 0 1 مع 1. هذه all the possible case. أنا فيش عندي case غير هول الأربعة. طيب برجع بجيب النوت y بعمل flip للy بهالcolumn I will flip the y. إذا كان 0 بتصير 1، إذا كانت 1 بتصير 0. This is the not y. بهون عملت ال x and y، يعني أنا شفت ال x مع ال y مثل ما قلنا ال and. إذا كان at least 1 0 the answer will be 0. So x 0 and 0 the answer 0. 0 and 1 0. 1 and 0 0. And 1 and 1 here it's 1 because they are the same. Both of them are the same. Now I will do the last step, which is what I'm looking for it. This is the last step or the output. So I will make and between or I will make or between x and y and not y. فهاي النت y عندي اياه هون. هذا الكولوم بدي اشتغل عليه وهذا الكولوم بدي اشتغل عليه. فببدأ بالor. or إذا at least I have 1 the answer will be 1. So 1 or 0 1. 0 or 0 0 of course because I don't have any 1. ما فيش عندي ولا واحد فالانسر 0. 1 or 0 فبيعطينا 1. هذا التروث تيبل. طيب هذا التروث تيبل تبع هذه السيركت. طيب كيف بدي ارسمها؟ ببدأ عندي x and y، فمعناتها انا بدي اعوز الاكس الاند. هذا الشيء تبع الاكس تبع الاند. وبما انه عندي two output، اول واحد هو x الثاني هو y، وهذا الانسر تبعه. طيب خلصت من هاي عندي or not y، فبدي اخذ not y. باخذ الخطة من y بعمل not لإلها this is the not. برجع بعمل this is the not y. هسه بعمل or between them. or اللي هي هاي بهالشكل. This is the or. Now this is the output, my output, which is L equal x y, which x and y plus not y or y prime. Next step, or next example, I have this one. I have three output X, Y, Z. This is the X, Y, Z. بما انه انا عندي ثلاثة output ثلاثة input، فانا عندي 8 possible cases. Those are the possible cases من 0 till 7. يعني عندي ثلاثة. أولا القاعدة هي 2 to the power n minus 1. بما انه which is هون بهالحالة ال n هي 3 because I have X, Y, and Z. So 2 to the power 3 minus 1, which is 7. So I have the last digit must be 7. So from 0 till 7. The combinations that I could have them, they are written here. الباينري تبع الزيرو هو 0. الباينري تبع ال1 هو 0 0 1. تبع 2 0 1 2 0. تبع 3 0 1 1. And so on till I reach 7, which is 1 1 1. طيب هون حطيت الكومبينيشن. اول ستيب بعمل الكومبينيشن اللي ممكن يكونوا عندي. ثاني ستيب بدي not z which is here not z. so بعمل flip للz. محل الزيرو بحط 1 ومحل 1 بحط 0. طيب برجع ثاني ستيب هي x and y. so انا بعمل between x and y which is those here. بشتغل على هود two columns مشان طيلع هذا الكولوم. and مثل ما قلنا إذا كان I have at least one zero, the answer will be 0. So 0 0 0 0 0 again 0 0 1 0 0 and 1 again 0. So on till I reach 1 1 1 here and 1 1 here 1 1 here. آخر step بعمل or. طيب خلصنا بالAND وخلصنا بالNOT Z. آخر step بعملهم collate. بعمل X and Y which is this column. I will use this column or not Z وهذا الكولوم. فهاو two columns أنا راح بستخدم هذا الكولوم وهذا الكولوم. So بما إنه or يعني إذا at least I have 1 1 the answer will be 1. Start 1 and 0 the answer is 1. 0 and 0 I don't have any 1 the answer is 0. And so on till the end. This is what we call it the truth table. Now suppose I have another circuit or I want to draw it. I want to draw this combination using the digital logic that I have then. So first of all I have three inputs X, Y, Z. This is the X, this is the Y, this is the Z. Now I have AND between X and Y, so I draw AND. So I have not Z here, so it will be not Z. And I have OR between them, so it will be OR. This is the idea, this is the logic that I have. So L, this is the L, or the output. L equal X, Y plus not Z. Another example I have it here. I have X and Y and between them I have XOR not OR. I have XOR. XOR mean if I have two zeros or 2 1 the answer will be 0. If I have at least 1 0 or 0 and 1 the answer will be 1. So let's start. I have 1 2 3. I have 3 inputs, so the answer will the possible cases is 2 to the power n minus 1 which is 2 to the power 3 minus 1 which is 7. آخر رقم ممكن يوصل له هو 7. ببدأ 0 1 2 3 4 ل 7 وبعمل البوسيبل compilations. الزيرو ممكن هذا الباينري تبعه 0 0 0. ال1 اللي هو هون 2 3 4 5 and so on till I reach the 7. Now not Z again. بعمل flip the Z اللي هي هون. عملت لها flip. In next case X and Y. X وال Y بستخدمهم بعمل AND between them. Well, last case is the XOR. So the XOR between those two columns. 1 and 0 1. 0 and 0 0. And 1 and 0 1 and so on till I reach. If I have two 1s, so this must be 0. And 0 and 1 here I have a wrong which is must be 0 not 1. This is 1. So now I want to draw it. I want to draw x and y XOR not z. So I have three inputs again: x, y, z. Between x and y I have XOR. This is AND. This is the and I have not z, so I have to flip it. Then I will take it here. Now I have XOR, the drawing of the XOR, this is the XOR. I have two lines here, and then I draw. This is L equal X, Y, XOR, not Z. This one, or the circled plus, meaning XOR. The circled plus, meaning XOR. Now let's continue to the next one. In this case, I have X, Y, W, and Z. I have four combinations. So 2 to the power 4 minus 1 equal 15. 15. I have from 0 till 15. So after writing the combinations, I have X, Y, Z, W. I write the combination of them 0, 1, 2, and so on till I reach 15. 1, 1, 1, 1. Now I will write the XOR, the OR between X and Y. So I will use those two columns, X and Y, to write the OR between them. Or if I have 1, 1, the answer will be, if I have at least 1, so the answer will be 1. 0 or 0, 0. 0 or 0, 0. 0 or 0 again 0, and so on till I reach the end. Now I have W and Z. This is the W and Z here. So I will use again Z and W. I will make AND between them. 0 and 0, 0. Here, 0. If I have 1, 1, so the answer is 1. The last step to do the truth table is this. I have X or Y and W and Z. So I will use those two columns. Those two columns, this one and this one, till the end. And I will put between them AND. بالAND مثل ما قلنا إذا كان عندي 1 0, so the answer is 0. If I have both of them as 1, so the answer is 1. This is the combination, and this is the truth table that I'm looking for it. So this is mean this. Now I want to draw it. Let's say I have four inputs: X, Y, Z, W. So suppose I have X or Y. I have between X and Y I have OR. So this is the OR. And I have between W and Z I have AND. This is the AND. And between them, both of them, I have AND. So I draw AND. So suppose I entered 1 0 1 0 here. This is the combination that I will enter it. The X here I have OR. I have at least 1, so the answer is 1 here. So next I have here and between here I have between them AND. So if I have at least 1 0, the answer is 0. So this is the answer of X and Y. Now the answer of one of those will be written here. So I enter 1, and here enter 0. I have at least 1 0, so the answer is 0. I will check this one in the truth table, and I will check if I got the right answer. I have 1 0 1 0. So this is the truth table. The X is 1 and the Z is 1. So this is what I'm looking for here. The answer of it was 0. So it's correct. My answer is correct and my drawing is correct. This is everything about the truth table and the digital logic circuits. Thank you for watching the video.